Best legit ways to get paid to chat and text online 2024. Did you know you could get paid to chat with strangers online? Yes, this is a legit extra cash opportunity you can do from anywhere as long as you have a smartphone. By now, you must have heard about work from home job opportunities where you sign up and start earning money right in the comfort of your home by doing small tasks. There are several simple options available when it comes to making money from home, such as play games, watch videos, take surveys, read emails, voiceovers, read books. One of the current extra cash opportunities is getting paid to chat and text with strangers online. If you are curious and wondering if this is actually legit, watch this video until the end. This is Norbipole TV. Please subscribe this channel for more interesting video like this. These sites are used by people looking for a friendly connection with another person or seeking a service that will fill an emotional void. These sites and apps are not just platforms for lonely people but places where you can socially connect with others. Below are some of the popular companies that will pay you to chat, text, and flirt with others online. Let's dive in. 1. ChatRecruit is an online chat service that allows you to chat with strangers through a phone call or text messaging. It also offers webcam chats for those who are comfortable with video chats. If you have the time, you can communicate on this platform and earn as much or as little as you want to make some extra side money. The company pays its participants, particularly in the UK and Europe, through direct deposits and bank transfers for those who live outside these countries. You can earn up to $2 per minute every time you chat. 2. MyGirlfriend is yet another work-from-home chat service that allows women to chat and text for extra cash. Participants sign up and look for women online who will chat with them and make them feel special and listened to. A good point to note about this site is that it prohibits you from revealing your personal information. Therefore, your privacy is guaranteed. There are other similar sites to those mentioned above, but there are also other options to make money texting if you do not have any interest chatting with strangers. 3. Quick text and online chat opportunities. If you still want to make a little extra money by texting and chatting but without having to using extreme methods, there are great options for you too. How about answering straight questions via text or live and video chat? You can sign up to answer queries from clients if you're an expert in a certain field, or provide answers to questions as solutions to customers for marketing purposes. 4. 1Q. This is a quick and easy site that you can sign up to answer various questions. If you want to help companies with their market research, this is one way to do it via text or the mobile app itself. You get to share your opinion, and the best part is you get paid immediately via PayPal. The rate is between 25 cents to 50 cents per question answered. 5. McMoney. With a catchy name like McMoney, this should hopefully be a quick way to make you some extra money. This app works by sending you text messages to your phone. It acts as a SMS testing platform, with your phone being a text delivery testing customer service solution before it is rolled out to the real customers. You don't need to do anything except to follow the sign-up process, download the app and start accepting your payments via PayPal. You don't even need to respond to the text messages. 6. Working Solutions. If you want a better paying online chat opportunity, why not sign up with Working Solutions? You will need excellent communication skills and some experience as a chat representative. Your role will be to answer customer queries from legitimate companies through a number of mediums such as email, text, social media, and sometimes through voice calls. Rates of pay are competitive and can be around $8 to $20 per hour depending on how much technical knowledge you have. 7. The Chat Shop. The company has open remote chat agent positions available in both the US and the UK. In the role of a live chat agent, your responsibilities will include answering questions, resolving issues, generating leads and sales, and ensuring high customer satisfaction while managing multiple live chats. Applicants are required to have a typing speed of 65 words per minute with 97% accuracy. The pay rate for this position is $10 per hour. 8. Mod Squad. is company hires remote social media moderators globally to assist clients with digital engagement such as moderating forums and providing customer service support. You can choose which projects you want to work on and set your own schedule. Pay is per chat but works out to around $10 to $15 per hour. Conclusion: now that you know the many options to make use of your smartphone, stop wasting time chatting online for free. You could easily get paid to chat and text online and make some extra dollars. Sign up today with any one of the above legitimate companies for free. This is NordBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.